Hello my friends and welcome back. This is a review of and showing you guys show and tell video of the 6-piece silicone baking grilling set. So let's show you guys what's in the bag. Alright guys, so right away we see they have some heating pads. Also 2 gloves. High temperature proofed pads and gloves. And also 2 of silicone holders. So let's actually take this out. So your utensil would slide in here, the handle, and that way you can grab your handle without burning your hand at all. So all of this is high temperature proof. So guys, once grilling season starts, I'll do an updated video and show you guys it in use. It looks like a nice kit, getting ready for spring and summer.